In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link email in Framer 2026 step by step. If you've ever wanted visitors to click a button or a piece of text on your site and instantly open their default email app with your address ready to go, this is exactly what we're doing. It's quick, reliable, and works across browsers as long as the user has an email client set up. First, go to Framer and open the project you want to edit. Make sure you're on the right page or canvas where the element you want to make clickable lives. Give yourself a moment to tidy up the layers panel if things are messy, just so it's easy to select what you need. You don't have to change anything else at this stage. Simply get to the spot where the link should be. Next, click on the element you want to link to your email. This can be a text layer, a button, an icon, or even a frame acting as a card, anything that supports a link. If it's text inside a larger container, make sure you're selecting the actual text layer rather than the parent frame so the link applies where you expect. When the element is selected, look to the right-hand sidebar in Framer's Properties panel. You'll see the link field there, which is where we'll add the email action. Now, in the link field, type a mail to link. The format is important. It should be mail to, followed immediately by your email address with no spaces. For example, mail to your email at domain.com. Be sure there's no space between mail and to, and don't include HTTP or HTTPS, just mail to and your address. Once you enter it, Framer treats it like a normal link. On click, the user's device will open its default email client with a new message addressed to you. If you're applying this to text, you can also highlight a specific word or phrase and add the same mail to link, so only that selection becomes clickable. Keep an eye out for typos. Even a small mistake in the address will break the link. A short, clear label on your element, like email me, helps accessibility and sets expectations for your visitors. That's all there is to it. You went to Framer, selected the element you want to be clickable, and typed a proper mail to link into the link field. With that, your site now gives people a simple, one-click path to contact you directly by email.